Hello and welcome to this PIERO tutorial on how to install and update PIERO on macOS. Do bear in mind, if you're going between major versions of PIERO, say between 19 or 20, your presets will not carry across. If you already have PIERO installed, we can see a update link is usually available in the launcher. If you don't see this, do not hesitate to contact PIERO support for a new download link. From the download link, we will receive a installer. When mounting this on macOS, we're presented with this window. We have a handy installation guide and some extras. If it's your first time installing PIERO, we need to install Sentinel drivers. They can be found here. If you're using a Shuttle Express and you haven't already done so, please install the Shuttle Express driver. Once that's done, we need to install PIERO. Simply drag the PIERO folder into the Applications folder. Once this is done, we now need to run the install assets. For this, we simply need to hit install. Make sure that your PIERO dongle is plugged in and up to date. Once we're done, we can quit out of here. And we're primarily done. The final bit of housekeeping to do is to update my shortcuts. And that is all we need to know to install or update PIERO on macOS.